How to get QR code on Paxful. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get QR code on Paxful. To get a QR code on Paxful, you will need to generate it for a specific wallet address or payment link. To get a QR code on Paxful, first of all, you will need to open your Paxful application on your mobile device. And here make sure you are logged in to your account. You may need to use your passkey or PIN number in order to access your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you need to tap on the wallet icon next to home and then you will be able to access the space. Here in this space, at the top in the middle, you will find Receive button. Tap on this Receive button and now you will be presented with the cryptos below. Here you can select any one of the crypto that you'd like to generate QR code. Once you tap on the crypto, it will display the wallet address of that Bitcoin. But recently, Paxful has made ID verification mandatory. Due to regulatory requirements, you must verify your identity on Paxful to continue using this platform. If you are not yet verified, you will not be able to see the QR code of the selected crypto here. Once you are verified, you will be able to see the QR code and receive the crypto in your wallet. If you have already verified your account, you will be able to see the QR code of the selected crypto here. You can now share this QR code with others who want to send you the crypto. Anyone who scans this code with a compatible wallet app will automatically see your address of the crypto you have sent. And then you will be able to receive or send that crypto. It can be used for receiving payments, which makes it easier for others to send you crypto without manually entering your wallet address. So by following these steps, you should be able to generate or get QR code on Paxful. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.